Ready, start. The consumer of the marine product is not going to pay more, comma, the trader is not going to reduce his profit margin. Stop. It is finally going to come down to the small fishermen. Stop. I plead that this growing industry in Gujarat should be released from taxation. Stop. On the contrary, comma, they should have given more encouragement and incentives to this vital industry. Stop. Gujarat does not get fish only from the sea. Stop. It is probably the only state where inland fisheries have developed. Stop. The districts where inland fisheries are operating are the backward districts. Stop. The fish from these regions goes to Haryana, Rajasthan, MP and even Assam. Stop. We have to compete with fishermen from other maritime states of India and there is a small profit margin left. Stop. Do you mean to say that the trader is now going to reduce his profit margin and allow the poor fishermen, who are mostly Adivasis, to carry on their profession? I do not know why this has been brought in. I only wish the government would take this more seriously and at the first stroke and abolish the sales tax on fish and marine products from the state. Stop para. You can consider it later, comma, I wish public opinion there is ascertained, comma, the fishermen contacted and then this tax imposed. Stop. Why must Gujarat take the lead in imposing a tax which has not been imposed anywhere in the country, comma, while this industry is still undeveloped there? There are a few other points which I would like to mention. One is about development of tourism in Gujarat. Stop. Unfortunately, comma, tourism and fisheries are two subjects which have always been neglected by the government of Gujarat. Stop. For almost a year, comma, we do not even have a director of tourism. Stop. Not only that, comma, if you look into the budget, you will find that they have included tourism with publicity and information and have given it a very small budget. Gujarat has the potential of becoming a major tourist attraction center in the country. Stop. If our state government could take more interest in developing our beach resorts, I am sure, comma, the tourists elsewhere in the country will be flowing more towards Gujarat. Stop. Though I know that this is not the right place to mention about tourism, comma, the state government may not consider this at all. Stop. I would only like this to be brought on record that tourism should be given equal importance in the activities of the state of Gujarat and our tourist potentialities should be fully exploited. Stop. Sir, I am sure if the central government takes full care of tourism, this state shall progress like any other state.